Welcome or welcome back to Cooking with Frenchy. I hope you had a wonderful Christmas and beautiful New Year, and now it's time to just get back on track and check new recipes. So this week's recipe is about something that we really do in the south of France, something with olives, very also popular in Spain and I will say Greek islands, I believe, or Italy. It's the olive tapenade. It's very popular in Provence. So I'm going to show you how to make a quick tapenade, and it's fantastic for dips or just as a spread. So I hope you enjoy this recipe. Make sure you always subscribe, you follow me, you make a comment, you like it, and you share it to the world. So hope you enjoy yourself, and let's check this just after this.